Hi guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about math. And in this video, we are going to review for the cumulative test 10, wait, no, not 10, but 11B. Again, this is for cumulative test 11B. So, are you ready? And
Let's
for our
go.
first topic, it's gonna be finding the average. Okay? So class, I will read the example for you. Coach Montoya has 4 teams of golfers with 5 players, 7 players, 8 players, and 8 players. If he were to switch the players so that each team had the same number, how many players would be on each team? Okay, so class, remember, how do you get the average? Do you still remember? If not, let me teach you how. Okay, now let us identify the numbers presented in this question. First, we have 5. Oops, wait, no pen? Alright, 5, 7, 8, and 8. Now, let us list this here. So we have 5, 7, 8, and 8. What are we gonna do next? We are going to add them. So, let's add. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. And 20 plus 8 is equals to 28. So, we put 28 there. Okay. Now, class, let me ask you. Okay. Let me ask you. What is the next step? Still remember? If not, well, here it is. So we are going to count the numbers that are given. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are going to divide 28 by 4. So 28 divided by 4. All right. Who would like to answer? Yes. No, just kidding. So, let's divide. How many 4s are there in 28? Okay. Yep, you got it right. It's 7. Oops. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. Then what is the next step? We are going to subtract it. 28 minus 28, 0. So what is our final answer then? 7 players. Okay. Coach Montoya would have 7 players on each team. Do you have any questions? Okay? Now it's your turn. Okay, now let's talk about radius and measurement. Now, let me read the question for you. The circle has a radius of 40 millimeters. What is the diameter of the circle in centimeters? So, okay class. So, remember diameter. Diameter is this. It is the distance between, alright, so let me draw it, between the side of the circle and its center point. So diameter, this is the diameter. Okay, so that is the distance between the two parts of the circle. Okay, alright. So now class, how do we get the diameter? Do you know? If not, here it is. Remember this formula. I want you to copy this in your notebooks. D stands for diameter. Okay? D is equals to 2 times the radius. 2 times the radius. Okay? Now, what is our radius? Our radius is 40 millimeters. So what is the next step? We are going to multiply 2 by 40. So 40 times 2. What is 40 times 2? 0 times 2, 0. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Now we got 80. 80 as our answer. Is that our final answer? No. We are looking for its centimeters, right? So, we are going to convert this into centimeters. So from, let me erase this circle to avoid confusion. Millimeters. Let me put millimeters. Oops. Millimeters. We are going to convert it into centimeters. Now, class, how many millimeters are there in a centimeter? Yep, you got it right. 10. So, we are going to divide it by 10. So, 10 divided by 80. How many tens are there in 80? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So, 8. 8. 8 times 10, 80. Then we are going to subtract it. Divide. 80 minus 80, 0. You got it right. So, what is the answer? 8 centimeter or 8 cm. Are you gonna accept if our answer is just 8? Yes, I can consider, but I prefer if you have centimeter or cm in your answer. Okay, class? Let me box it for you. Now, it's your turn. Now we're done with circles and measurements. Let's now proceed with perimeter. Okay, so class, let me read the question for you. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? Now, let me ask you, how do you get the perimeter? You know? Alright, yes, you guys are right. You get the perimeter of this rectangle by writing P first. By the way, I will write the formula. You better copy this in your notebook, okay? So P is equals to 2 times. What? Wait, Mr. Salazar, what are we supposed to times? Or what are we supposed to multiply? You are supposed to multiply the sides. And in this problem, we have 4 and 2. Okay? So we have 4 and 2. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna write the side 1 plus side 2. Side 1 and side 2. So let us do this. 2 times side 1. What is the side 1? What is the first side? 4. Then what is the second side? 2. Now, let's add 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? It is 6. Now, we're almost there. Let us multiply 2 by 6. So 2 times 6 is what? Of course, it's very easy. It's 12. So weird, Mr. Salazar. Why did you write it like that? Okay, but well, you still get it. It's 12. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 12. Now, it's your turn. Alright, still keeping up? All good? Alright, let me discuss how to divide multiple digit numbers to you. Okay? So, let's have our first problem. 20 divided by 640. Okay. So now class, let me ask you, can we divide 20 by 6? But can we divide 20 by 64? Yes. So how many 20s are there in 64 then? We have 3. 3 times 20 is equals to 60. Then we're gonna subtract it. 64 minus 60 is 4. Then we bring down 0. Now, can we divide 40 by 20? Yes. So 40 divided by 20 is 2. Next, 2 times 20, 40. Then we subtract it. 40 minus 40 is 0. So, what is our answer then? Our answer is 32. Okay? Now, can we move on to the next question? Okay? Alright, so let's write it down. 25 divided by 750. 750 divided by 25. Okay, so class. Now, let's start. Can we divide 25 by 7? But can we divide 25 by 75? Can we divide 75 by 25? Yes. So how many is that? Yep, you got it right. It's 3. So 3 times 25, 75. Then subtract it. 75 minus 75, 0. Then we bring down 0. Let's just put it up. The answer is 30. Did you get the same answer as mine? Yeah? Okay, now it's your turn. As you can see, we're gonna multiply. So, we're gonna do multiplying 2-digit numbers. Okay? So let's practice. 25 times 40. What is 25 times 40? First, you're gonna multiply 0 by 5. 0. 2 times 0 is 0. Next, 4 times 5. 20. Put 0 there. Then put the 2 above the 2. So next, 2 times 4. 2 times 4. 8 plus 2. 10. So, let's add them. Oops, I just put that there. Okay. So 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Bring down 0, bring down 1. What is our final answer? Our final answer is 1,000. Okay? Next. Number 2. 73 times 21. 73 times 21. Okay. 1 times 3. 3. 1 times 7. 7. Next. 2 times 3. 6. And 2 times 7. 14. Then we put the addition sign. Let's add it. 3. Let's bring it down. 3. Next, 7 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we put 1 there and 3. 1 plus 4. 5. And then bring down 1. So what is our final answer? Our final answer is 1,500 33. Okay? Do you have any questions? Is it too hard? Is everything clear? No? Okay, now it's your turn. So class, now that you are done watching that review video, I do hope that you learned a lot from it. You better use those examples for the cumulative test 11B, okay? And the access code is subtraction. Again, the access code is subtraction, all capital letters. Okay, do not forget that. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.